From $2,000 investment into this account, we are presently at $133,500 of equity within 17 months of trading with our very powerful forex scalping robot, the Pro Master EA. Presently, we have minus $46 of drawdown, which is very small as compared to our equity. Presently, we have already made $179 profit, and we are only at 6 a.m. this morning. I'm going to scroll down as we check on the various trades that our robot has opened so far this morning. As you can see, every trade is open with a stop loss and has a take profit. And the good news is that you can start using this robot with an equity of only $100. As market opened last night, today's Monday, as market opened last night, we had some losses in the row because there was some huge movement in the market. But as the trend changes, the robot will simply close the running trades, and that is why we had those losses. And these are the winning trades. You can see the values of the winning trades are far more bigger than the values of the losses, which is something very, very good. That is why we have an edge over the market. Let me continue to scroll down as we check on the other trades that the robot has opened so far. The Pro Master EA is simply one of the best forex scalping robot you can use to grow a very small account to bigger values. You can start with $100 and take it to 50,000, 100,000, depending on you. We coded this robot with 4 different strategies, and all of the strategies are trend following strategies. That is why we hit our target most often. And most often our trade will last into the market for between 1 to 10 minutes because we have a very tight stop loss and a very tight take profit. So most often our trade will close in a very short while, and that is why within a day our robot is going to open several trades. As you can see, we are only at 6 a.m. and the robot has already opened several trades. And as I said, we coded this robot with 4 different strategies. All of those strategies are trend following strategies. That is why our win rate is so high, and we go for only 5 pips take profit. After back testing and forward testing, we notice that going for only 5 pips take profit is very profitable with us. And we also coded this robot with 3 exit strategies. When the trend changes, the robot will also take into consideration some other factors, if it should close the trade or not, because there may be a pullback and the market continues in the direction of the trend. But if the trend changes, the robot will simply close the running trade. This is the Pro Master EA, one of the best forex scalping robot. We have so far used this robot to pass the challenge on 4 different prop firms, be it My Forex Fund or FTMO. You can pass these challenges, and let's say you have a 10,000 funded account with My Forex Fund. At the month end, after profit split, you can be making like $700 profit without doing anything. This robot can be a source of good passive income. For those of you who have never installed a Forex robot before, that's not an issue. When you purchase this robot, message us. We are going to be there to assist you to set up the robot and be sure that you are also making profit. And if you have started with us 17 months ago with an equity of only $100, presently you should be at about $6,676 of equity within 17 months of trading, which is a very huge return within a very short period of time. No bank can give you this amount of interest rate. As you can see, this is the Pro Master EA. Every trade is open with a stop loss and has a take profit. If there are only 3 things we are proud of about this robot, number 1 is the security. Security is a key when you are going for a trading robot. This is something you should consider. Number 2 is the low drawdown. Each time we give you guys updates about our trade, we always make sure we show you the running trade for you to see how low the drawdown of this robot is. Number 3 thing we are proud of about this robot is the high win rate, as you can see in this video and in the other videos we have on our channel. Our strategies are very good, so we hit and beat the market almost every day. We do have some losses, but our winnings are far more greater than the losses. When you have this robot, you don't need to be looking on your chart every day. You don't need to be reading our candlesticks. You don't need to be drawing support and resistance. You don't need to be drawing trend lines. The robot analyzes the market for you. You don't need to be looking at candlesticks. You don't need to be installing forex indicators like the RSI, the stochastic, the moving averages. You don't need to be installing all of that on your chart. No, the robot does all the work for you while you sleep. This robot helps you make money while sleeping, and there is a very special job where you wake up in the morning and see money into your account. Now the good news is that you can get a copy of this robot at only $149 and start making money too out of the financial market. When we officially launch, this robot is going to be sold at higher values. So take advantage of this moment and get a copy. Make sure you like this video and subscribe as we grow this account to $1 million. Bye for now. See you in other videos. Ciao.